content marketing leverages storytelling to connect with audiences. By crafting narratives that resonate, businesses can convey their values and mission, fostering emotional connections. This approach not only captivates, but also educates, making the audience more receptive to the brand's message. Effective storytelling and content marketing builds a loyal community, enhancing brand awareness and customer engagement. Content marketing involves strategically creating and distributing valuable content to engage a specific audience. Unlike traditional ads, it builds trust and long-term relationships, focusing on value rather than direct sales. HubSpot describes it as sharing material that stimulates interest without overtly promoting a brand. The 4 C's of content marketing, creation, curation, connection, and conversion, form a robust framework. Creation involves crafting tailored content to meet audience needs. Curation adds value by sharing trusted industry insights. Connection fosters community through engagement. Conversion transforms engagement into loyalty with strategic calls to action. The 4 C's cycle is a continuous process that ensures sustainable marketing success. Creation, curation, connection, and conversion work in harmony, each phase reinforcing the others. This synergy forms a robust content marketing engine, driving engagement and fostering long-term brand loyalty. Content marketing is crucial, with 70% of consumers favoring articles over ads. It generates 3 times more leads than outbound marketing at 62% less cost. Additionally, 84% of marketers report increased brand awareness through content. These statistics highlight the effectiveness and efficiency of content marketing in engaging audiences and driving business success. The content marketing funnel guides customers from awareness to retention. Initially, search engine optimization and social media attract visitors. During consideration, educational content builds trust. Conversion is driven by persuasive content with clear calls to action. Finally, retention is achieved through ongoing valuable content, ensuring customer loyalty and advocacy. Search engine optimization is crucial for awareness, enhancing organic discovery with keyword optimization. Social media fosters both awareness and consideration by building relationships and community engagement. Email marketing excels in consideration and conversion, delivering personalized messages that nurture leads and drive action through targeted campaigns. Search engine optimization and social media are pivotal for top-of-funnel awareness, enhancing visibility and engagement. Email marketing excels in driving conversions and nurturing leads through personalized communication. Each channel uniquely influences the customer journey, optimizing awareness, consideration, and conversion stages effectively. Blog posts and articles are ideal for awareness and search engine optimization, offering long-form content that educates and establishes thought leadership. Videos and podcasts foster engagement, explaining complex topics. Case studies and white papers drive consideration and conversion by showcasing results. Infographics and social posts amplify reach, simplifying information for increased engagement. The periodic table of content is a visual guide featuring over 40 content types. It offers innovative ideas for repurposing content across formats, enhancing reach and engagement. Each format plays a distinct role in your content marketing strategy, ensuring maximum impact and effectiveness. Identify audience pain points and conduct keyword research using SEMrush or Ahrefs. Analyze competitor content for gaps. Write a 1,500-plus word search engine optimization optimized article with actionable insights. Enhance with visuals and calls to action. Distribute via social media, targeted emails, and engage through comments. Creating a high-quality blog post involves strategic time allocation. Writing and editing consume 40% of your effort, emphasizing the importance of content quality. Research and planning take 30%, ensuring depth and relevance. Visuals and formatting, along with promotion and distribution, each require 15%, enhancing engagement and reach. Bloggers are dedicating more time to content creation annually, as shown by Orbit Media's survey. This trend highlights the growing emphasis on quality, depth, and thorough research in content marketing. Investing time in these areas is crucial for crafting impactful blog posts that resonate with audiences and enhance engagement. Automation scripts streamline social media promotion by scheduling posts with engaging headlines, images, and hashtags. This ensures consistent visibility and reach. The published blog preview features a captivating headline, a striking hero image, and structured content with a clear call to action, guiding readers effectively. Content marketing builds lasting relationships by creating genuine trust through valuable content that addresses audience needs. It generates sustainable leads, offering cost-effective, long-term growth. Additionally, it empowers your brand, positioning it as a thought leader that educates and inspires action. Start small, stay consistent, and measure results to see exponential impact.